succulent roast chicken with tender potatoes and vegetables in a creamy coconut curry sauce, all cooked in one pan. This is an easy way to level up your Sunday roast. And it's the way we cook those vegetables and potatoes that's going to give this dish so much flavour. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. This curry roast chicken is always on recipe rotation at our house. We go back to this recipe time and time again, and it's what I can guarantee will result in clean plates all round. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by preheating the oven to 180C or 350F. For the chicken, I've got a medium-sized whole chicken weighing in at about 2 kilos or 4.4 pounds, and we're going to place that on a large roasting tray. Place half a lime in the cavity of the chicken and then brush a tablespoon of curry paste all over the top of the chicken. We're going quick and easy using a shop-bought curry paste for this. You can use any curry paste you like, from mild to hot. I'm using a mild Tikka Masala curry paste. Now drizzle on 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil and sprinkle on ½ teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Cover the chicken in loosely tented foil. Now place the chicken in the preheated oven for an hour. That's 180C or 350F, fan assisted, in case you missed it earlier. After an hour of cooking, we're going to remove the chicken from the oven and remove the foil. So now we're going to add in the potatoes. I've got 600 grams, which is about 1.3 pounds of baby new potatoes here. Now you can replace those with regular sized floury potatoes if you like, but you'll need to peel and chop them into bite-sized pieces. So we're going to place them in the pan around the chicken. Turn the potatoes to coat them in any chicken juices and oils in the base of the tin. Now place back in the oven, uncovered this time, for 30 minutes. After the potatoes have been cooking with the chicken for 30 minutes, we're going to take the baking tray out of the oven. Now we're going to add the sauce ingredients to the pan, starting with 2 more tablespoons of that curry paste. We're also going to add in the juice of half a lime, a 400 gram or 14 ounce tin of full fat coconut milk, 2 teaspoons of fish sauce and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stir together to mix the sauce and coat the potatoes. Now we're going to add in the veggies. So I've got a sliced red bell pepper here. I've also got 200 grams, which is about 7 ounces of green beans that have been sliced in half. I've also got 175 grams, which is about 6 ounces of broccoli. We're going to add that in and then stir it all in to coat in the sauce. Place back in the oven for a final 15 minutes until the vegetables are tender and the sauce has thickened slightly and is bubbling. Normally you'd use the chicken juices from a roast chicken to make a lovely gravy, but in this recipe those chicken juices are going directly into the sauce, which is going to give it a glorious, smooth, rich, velvety flavour. Trust me on this one, that sauce is unbelievable. Once the chicken is cooked through, remove it from the oven and leave to rest for a few minutes. Remove the roast chicken from the tin and place on a chopping board. And then carve the chicken and divide between plates. You can serve this as it is as a complete meal, but you guys know I love my carbs, so I'm serving mine up with some boiled rice. Add the potatoes and vegetables from the pan to the plates and drizzle over the sauce. Then serve topped with a little freshly chopped coriander. And that's my curry roast chicken. Tender, aromatic, juicy chicken, and the potatoes and veggies absorb the flavour of that delicious curry sauce. It means even the kids will eat all the veggies with no complaints. And that sauce, oh my gosh, just look at it. It's so delicious. Amazing.